Hello, Christopher Lavin, elder law attorney with the Lavin Law Group. Many folks will come to us and say, Chris, can't I keep or protect about half of the stuff if mom or dad or my spouse is sick? And I know why people ask me that question, because if they've Googled this on the internet, they'll see what's called the rule of halves or half-a-love planning. And what the attorneys are basically trying to explain is based on the formulas and the time constraints involved in this type of planning, we can generally protect about half the value of the estate. Now, it's not automatically half, but it's a pretty conservative approach that the attorneys can protect about half. Now, one thing that is a myth is a couple or a spouse will come to me and say, my loved one's in a facility, Chris, don't I keep about half of the stuff? That is not true. Sometimes they keep less than half. It's not an automatic number. So we have to look at that to tell them the exact number that they can keep with the state. But generally we can protect about half of whatever is exposed to the spend down. So the good news is folks know through that rule of halves idea and that information that's out there that you're not required to spend or do not have to spend everything down if a loved one or a spouse is in a facility. But it does depend, I hate to use that word, but it does depend on the situation. So please see your elder law attorney to know exactly what your number is and what position you would be in if your loved one or yourself became sick. Thank you.